Collagen rich natural foods for best skin and hair health. In the previous video we have discussed about plant-based collagen. Why should you consume collagen rich foods? Collagen, a necessary protein, promotes skin elasticity and hair health. Incorporating collagen rich foods can naturally support these aspects. Bone soup. It contains collagen derived from animal bones, which aids in the improvement of skin elasticity and hair strength. Fish. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, mackerel, and other fatty fish aid in collagen production. Eggs. Egg, which is high in amino acids that are necessary for collagen synthesis, aids in the improvement of skin and hair health. Berries. Berries, which are high in antioxidants that fight free radicals that damage collagen, promote healthier skin and hair. Greens with leafy leaves. Spinach, kale, and other greens are high in vitamins and antioxidants which are necessary for collagen production and skin repair. Oranges and lemons. Vitamin C, which is found in oranges and lemons, promotes collagen synthesis and protects the skin from damage. Seeds and nuts. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are high in essential fatty acids and minerals which are necessary for collagen production. Avocados, which are high in healthy fats and vitamin E, help to nourish the skin while also maintaining elasticity and moisture. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and tips to help a happier and healthier life. Take care of yourself and see you next time on Sharjah Health Matters.